Hi guys, there are two vector questions. One of them is asked to measure our operation knowledge in vector. The other one is asked to check our knowledge, unit vector knowledge. First of all, I want to remind you how we use the two vectors to calculate the addition or subtraction, okay, of the vectors, of course. And there are U and V vectors. Addition or subtraction has the same properties. We need to focus on the first component of U and V, addition or subtraction, comma, the same, we will do the same thing for the second component of U and V vectors. There is a result vector. Don't forget, we will get in that operation vector. Scalar product. Scalar product means that we will multiply the any number, real number, 3, 5, -1, 2/3, like that, by vector. Okay, first component, of course, product of first component by k and comma, product of the k and y1. That's it. Now, let's do it. And we learned everything, or I remind you, I will do this question for you. Now, R equals what? Put all of them in the bracket here, okay? Don't worry. Step by step. Then we need to expand the parentheses by multiply the what? The coefficient of the parentheses. Here 1, it doesn't means, just write this part without parentheses, but here there's a -1. You need to multiply parentheses by -1 and you will get this, and 2 you need to multiply by 2 all way. And we need to combine the similar terms, the I terms. So we will get the first component of R is a -4i, and to find the second component, just focus on the j part. Okay, combine them and that's it. Now, from here, we will continue with the unit vector. Okay, what is the unit vector? First of all, I want to define it. Do you remember the length of vector from the first the video? Length of the vector is if the u is the x and y has obviously x component and y component, sum of this component square equals the length of the vector. So, what is unit vector? Unit vector, length of the vector, if equals to 1, it's called unit vector. Obviously, all vectors' lengths cannot be what? 1. So, can we make every vector unit vector? Yes and no. Unit vector can be, made like that. Okay, unit vector of v. Okay, guys? Then x component will be divided by length of v. Y component as well will be divided by length of v. You can easily understand if vector length is 0, this vector doesn't have a unit vector, like a 0, 0 vector, okay? I want to continue from that point, and background information, we need to use it. So, what is the length of v? If the vector like that, we need to calculate like that, in square root 2 square plus 3 square. And by doing the simple math, length of the vector v equals to in square root 13. Now, rest of the question very simple, because the unit vector of v, I will say, equals to 2i will be divided by length of v, so square root 13, and plus same method we will use to find the y component. That's it. Thank you very much.